North Waziristan. The name itself evokes a sense of mystery and adventure, a land where the rugged beauty of nature meets the rich tapestry of history. Nestled in the heart of Pakistan's federally administered tribal areas, North Waziristan is a region that has long captured the imagination of explorers and historians alike. It stands as a gateway to the untamed beauty of the Afghan border, a place where the landscape tells stories of ancient times and modern struggles. Bordered by Afghanistan to the west, Kurram Agency to the north, and surrounded by other significant regions, South Waziristan to the south, and Banu and Tank districts to the east, North Waziristan is a land of strategic importance and breathtaking vistas. Encompassing a vast expanse of approximately 1,147 square miles, it is a region of diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage. This region holds immense geopolitical importance, serving as a crucial link between Pakistan and Afghanistan, a bridge between two nations with intertwined destinies. For centuries, North Waziristan has been a crossroads of cultures and civilizations, a melting pot where diverse traditions and histories converge. The ancient Silk Road, a testament to the region's historical significance, once snaked its way through these rugged landscapes, bringing with it trade, ideas, and cultural exchange. It served as a conduit for trade and cultural exchange between the East and the West, a vital artery in the network of ancient commerce. Today, North Waziristan remains a land of rich traditions and vibrant heritage, where the past and present coexist in a unique harmony. The echoes of the past resonate strongly in the present, reminding us of the enduring legacy of this remarkable region. North Waziristan is a land sculpted by nature's awe-inspiring forces. This region, often shrouded in mystery and intrigue, is a testament to the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Towering mountains, deep valleys, and meandering rivers define its dramatic topography. Each element of this landscape tells a story of geological upheaval and natural evolution over millennia. The mighty Hindu Kush, a formidable mountain range that stretches across Afghanistan and into Pakistan, casts a long shadow over the region. These mountains are not just geographical features, they are the guardians of ancient secrets and untold stories. These mountains, with their snow-capped peaks and rugged slopes, create a breathtaking backdrop that has captivated adventurers and explorers for generations. The allure of these peaks has drawn many to their heights, seeking both challenge and inspiration. The valleys of North Waziristan, nestled amidst these towering peaks, offer a stark contrast to the rugged mountain terrain. These valleys are sanctuaries of life, providing shelter and sustenance in an otherwise harsh environment. These fertile valleys, watered by the region's rivers, are home to scattered villages and terraced fields. The ingenuity of the local people is evident in the way they have harnessed the land's resources to create thriving communities. The Kurram River, originating in the mountains of Afghanistan, flows through the heart of North Waziristan, sustaining life and providing a vital lifeline for the local population. This river is more than just a waterway. It is the artery that nourishes the land and its people. Its tributaries, including the Shawal and Spinwam rivers, further enrich the land, creating a mosaic of ecosystems within this mountainous landscape. These rivers weave through the terrain, bringing life and diversity to the region, making North Waziristan a true tapestry of mountains and valleys. North Waziristan experiences a continental climate characterized by distinct seasons and often extreme weather conditions. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures soaring to over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun beats down relentlessly, baking the land and turning the rivers into trickles. The air is thick with dust and the mountains shimmer in the heat haze. Winters, on the other hand, bring bone-chilling cold, especially in the higher elevations. Temperatures often plummet below freezing and the mountains are draped in a mantle of snow. The rivers, once languid and slow-moving, transform into raging torrents as the snow melts in the spring. This cycle of freezing and thawing shapes the landscape, carving out valleys and gorges over millennia. Despite the harsh climate, North Waziristan is home to a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. The region falls within the Hindu Kush Himalayan region, a global biodiversity hotspot renowned for its unique and threatened species. The mountains, with their varying altitudes and microclimates, support a wide range of plant life. On the lower slopes, where the climate is milder, forests of pine, cedar, and oak thrive. These forests provide habitat for a variety of animals, including the elusive snow leopard, the Himalayan black bear, and the markhor, a wild goat with impressive spiraled horns. Higher up, as the air thins and the terrain becomes more rugged, alpine meadows dominate. Here, wildflowers paint the landscape in a riot of colors during the brief spring and summer months. Beyond its natural beauty, North Waziristan boasts a number of historical and cultural sites that offer glimpses into the region's rich past. The region has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of trade routes, and the confluence of cultures. Dotted across the landscape are ancient forts, crumbling ruins, and sacred shrines, each with a story to tell. These sites are not just relics of the past, but living memories that connect us to the ancient world. Among these hidden gems is the Shawal Valley, a place of breathtaking beauty and historical significance. Nestled high in the mountains, the valley is renowned for its lush green meadows, pristine forests, and crystal-clear lakes. It is also home to the remains of ancient Buddhist stupas, a testament to the region's diverse religious heritage. These stupas, with their intricate carvings and weathered stones, serve as silent witnesses to a bygone era. They remind us of the spiritual and cultural richness that once thrived here. The Hindu Kush is not just a geographical marvel, but a tapestry of human history and natural splendor. Exploring these hidden gems offers a unique journey through time, revealing the layers of history that have shaped this remarkable region. North Waziristan is endowed with a wealth of natural resources that hold the potential to transform the region's economy. The mountains are rich in minerals, including copper, chromite, and marble. The rivers, if harnessed properly, could generate hydroelectric power, providing much-needed electricity to the region. And the fertile valleys, with their potential for agriculture and livestock rearing, could become the breadbasket of the region. However, realizing this potential requires significant investment in infrastructure, education, and healthcare. The lack of roads, electricity, and access to markets has hampered economic development for decades. By investing in these critical areas, North Waziristan can unlock its true economic potential and create opportunities for its people. Despite the challenges, there are glimmers of hope on the horizon. Local communities, with support from government agencies and international organizations, are working to protect the environment and promote sustainable tourism. Afforestation projects are underway to restore degraded forests and combat climate change. Efforts are also being made to develop eco-friendly tourism initiatives that benefit both the local communities and the environment. These initiatives focus on showcasing the region's natural beauty and cultural heritage while minimizing negative impacts. By promoting responsible tourism, North Waziristan can share its unique treasures with the world while preserving them for future generations. The people of North Waziristan are predominantly Pashtun, a proud and resilient ethnic group with a rich cultural heritage. Their traditions and customs, passed down through generations, are deeply intertwined with the land they call home. Hospitality is a cornerstone of Pashtun culture, and visitors to the region are often greeted with warmth and generosity. The traditional Pashtun code of honor, known as Pashtunwali, emphasizes bravery, loyalty, and hospitality. This code, deeply ingrained in the social fabric, governs their interactions and shapes their worldview. The intricate hand-woven carpets, vibrant embroidery, and soulful music of North Waziristan reflect the creativity and resilience of its people. North Waziristan faces a myriad of challenges, including security concerns, limited infrastructure, and poverty. Decades of conflict and instability have taken a toll on the region, hindering development and displacing communities. The lack of basic amenities such as healthcare, education, and clean water has had a profound impact on the lives of the local population. However, the spirit of resilience and hope burns brightly in the hearts of the people. They are eager to rebuild their lives and create a better future for their children. Addressing these challenges requires a multi-pronged approach involving the government, local communities, and international partners. North Waziristan is a land of contrasts, where rugged beauty and cultural richness collide. It is a place where adventure awaits around every bend in the road, where ancient traditions endure, and where the resilience of the human spirit shines through. While challenges remain, the potential for positive change is immense. As the world begins to rediscover the hidden gems of North Waziristan, it is important to approach this unique region with respect, sensitivity, and a commitment to sustainable tourism. By embracing these principles, we can help ensure that the untamed beauty and cultural heritage of North Waziristan are preserved for generations to come.